A little over a year ago, I dropped a video talking about how I went from making $27,000 to over $62,000 in just 2 months selling digital products. I told you then that I used to make that in a year at my old job. Well, guess what? A year later, this strategy isn't just holding up, it's crushing it. Now, this isn't some flash in the pan success story that just fizzed out. This is the proven path to consistent income and real financial freedom, and it's still delivering. Right now, I'm still pulling in consistent 5 and even 6 figures a month selling digital products. This video is going to be super special because it's an update, a testament to the power of what I shared last year, and I'm going to show you why everything I told you then is still valid, still working, and still your clearest path to making serious money online. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share something that's going to help you implement this proven strategy today. So let's dive in. Last year, I laid out why the high-ticket fantasy is just that, a fantasy. All those gurus telling you to charge thousands for coaching, cold DMing strangers, dealing with payment plans, and living in fear of refunds. It's like you're trying to push a $5,000 coaching program when you haven't even mastered selling a low-ticket like $7 product. And that's just like trying to build a mansion on quicksand. 1 year later, that truth is even clearer. We've seen more and more high-ticket schemes implode. We've seen more people burn out trying to chase those big numbers with high pressure and low fulfillment. And a year later, those high-ticket wizards still don't want you looking behind the curtain. They're still focused on revenue, not collected cash. But here's the secret, the one that still works. It's easier to get 1,000 people to pay you $50 than it is to get 10 people to pay you $5,000. Now, that was true a year ago, and it's even more true now. Low ticket removes friction, and friction still kills sales. When you learn to sell low ticket, you learn real skills. Offer creation, sales psychology, conversion copy, and lifetime value stacking. And you'll build an army of buyers, not just followers. Now, a year ago, I told you my story, losing my $65,000 a year job, losing everything, my wife and 5 kids sleeping in a borrowed car. I was literally at ground zero. I started my business from places like Burger King and Wendy's using their free Wi-Fi, with just a desktop computer and a dream. I wasn't some tech guru or born into money. I lost a lot of money trying all the get-rich-quick schemes before I stumbled onto digital products. But that hard journey, that brutal honesty about my beginnings, is what led me to this path. And what I want you to understand is that the very same principles that pulled me out of homelessness then are the ones that have kept this business thriving consistently for the past year. Digital products require no capital, no inventory, no crazy software, just a link and a place to sell. That simplicity was powerful then, and it's still the most effective way to build a scalable, automated business now. I started by freelancing, helping other online entrepreneurs behind the scenes. It was a client who pushed me to step into the spotlight. So I tried TikTok. I made a fortune, but it was too unstable. My accounts kept getting shut down, and I was losing money every time. That's why I landed here on YouTube. And thankfully, I already had proven digital products developed from what people were asking me on TikTok, like that ebook that made me $94,000 in just 30 days. That ebook success showed me the demand, but it also showed me the need for something deeper. That's why back then I created that course, the Affiliate Income Network System. That course taught the back end of digital marketing because that's the real skill. And a year later, I'm still telling you, it doesn't matter how great your idea is if you don't know how to market it digitally. The core of what I shared last year and what's still driving my income is my viral $7 sales funnels. This is the very same digital product with master resale rights that I started selling to make it easy for anyone to get started. When someone grabs that $7 product, they're immediately redirected to my low-cost offer, which is my 1K profit funnel. This system, with its strategic order bumps, upsells, and downsells, is still the engine for consistent cash flow. Think about it. You go out for a Chick-fil-A sandwich and they offer you fries and a drink. That's the order bump. Or like IKEA, you go in for one thing, but they lead you through a journey where you pick up a dozen other things. That same psychology is why this funnel still works so effectively, all automated through System.io. A year ago, I talked about the power of master resale rights. 100% profit, done for you course, no headaches. That's why I built my course with master resale rights. So you literally get everything you need with one click. All the videos, the graphics, even the content strategy. And yes, it's still possible to do this with faceless marketing, no showing your face, and no talking in videos. You can still set it up in minutes and it runs completely automatically. A year ago, I knew some of you might have thought, yeah, Ryan, that only worked for you because you already have a YouTube channel. Well, here we are a year later, and I'm still telling you, this YouTube channel is not monetized by ads. I make 0 cents from YouTube ad revenue. Every single dollar I've made from this channel's audience has come directly from my digital products. I built my digital products and my strategies from a 0 follower count on YouTube. And I even built them on all my other social media accounts as well. And my students are still seeing incredible success with this exact strategy. Many of them got their first online sales and their best results with this Master Resale Rights course, even after buying and failing with other expensive programs. Now that should tell you something. This past year has only reinforced the core principles I shared. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a foundation that endures. One, you're gonna need mindset. You need a positive winning mindset to do this or any other business that you're trying to get off the ground. Two, work. You have to put in the consistent effort. Nothing falls in your lap. Three, consistency. You can't quit. Success is inevitable if you just keep going. And the bonus, which is still vital, you get out what you put in. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, your business, and your future, why would you expect others to invest in you? So, if you're ready to make more by working less online to experience the kind of financial freedom and consistency I've had for the past year, then you need to grab the Digital Income Starter Kit right now. This kit is packed with everything you need to kickstart your journey with this proven year-long effective strategy. You're going to get access to my exclusive community, weekly coaching from me, all my trainings, and of course, access to master resale rights versions of my course. So click the link down in the description to tap in, and I'll see you on the inside. So now that you know how to build a real, enduring business with digital products, you're probably wondering how to get people to actually see your offers. That's why you want to watch the video popping up on your screen right now. What you learned here about building a solid, proven foundation with low-ticket products, combined with the traffic strategies in this next video, will make you unstoppable. You're going to be able to create offers that convert and get them in front of the right people. It's like having the perfect 1-2 punch for online success. And it's a strategy that's only gotten stronger over the past year. See you in the next video.